How to fix iMessage pictures not showing is loading on iPhone issue. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. The very first thing you want to check is your internet connection, if you have stable internet connection or not. Likewise, another thing you can do is switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. Or also what you can do is toggle on for this option of airplane mode. Now wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and then toggle it off, and then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, scroll down, open the option of iMessage, disable for this option of iMessage, wait for 60 seconds and then toggle it on. Likewise, scroll down, you will see the option of MMS messaging, toggle on for this option. Now head back, close this, open your app store, search for the app messages. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update your app. Likewise, heading towards next solution, what you have to do is open your settings app, scroll down, head towards the option of general, open the option iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. You can delete and offload the unused apps. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iMessage pictures not showing, it's loading on iPhone issue. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.